Hey there, sports fans. Today we're going to be looking at evaluating logarithmic expressions. So, my name is Mark Noldy, rhymes with Moldy. I have been teaching high school math for 25 years now. So, that includes my kids too. But anyway, I like to show students how they can be successful with some of the problems that we all struggle with.
So the first example we'll look at is log base 3 of the square root of 27. Recognizing that 27 is 3 cubed, right? We know that 3 cubed is equal to 27. So I'd like to get rid of the square root. So let's step this out. Log base 3 of 27 to the 1/2 power. So one of the properties is I can drop the exponent. So I'd have 1/2 times the log base 3 of 27. And 27 is the same thing as 3 cubed. So I'd have 1/2 times the log base 3 of 3 cubed. So when this number and this number match, my argument becomes the simplification. So I'd have 1/2 times 3, which becomes 3/2. So the simplified answer to this expression up here is 3/2 down here. So for this next one, it's a common log, log base 10 of 20 plus log base 10 of 5. So I'm adding these so I can use properties of logarithms like this and say this is the same as the log base 10 of 20 times 5. And 20 times 5, well, that's just 100. And 10 squared will give me 100, so this just becomes 2, because 10 squared is equal to 2. So my final answer here would just be 2. So for this last example, it's log base 2 of 6 minus log base 2 of 15 plus log base 2 of 20. So these are all base 2 logs. So I'm going to use properties of logarithms, but just like ordinary, order of operations, I have to simplify left to right first. There'd be a common tendency for students to want to add these two together first, but the first thing that you want to do is say the log base 2 of 6 over 15 plus the log base 2 of 20. I'm not sure that's going to fit on my screen, so let me make it a little bit smaller. Log base 2 of 20. So now we're adding, and we have like bases, right? Base 2. So I'm going to add these two together. I'm going to multiply them. So that becomes log base 2 of 6/15 times 20. I'll write that as 20 over 1. So we can simplify what's inside these parentheses, right? 15 goes into, 5 goes into this 3 times, into this 4 times. 3 goes into 6 twice. So that leaves us with log base 2 of 8. And of course, 2 to what power gives us an 8? That would be a 3. So there's 3 quick examples of simplifying or evaluating logarithmic expressions.
So I hope you liked that video. If you got value from it, consider clicking the like button. Otherwise, there's another video up here to start. And are you excited about school? That's my question of the day. I know I am, so it's coming up very quickly here. Finally, don't forget, math is not a spectator sport. If you want to get good at math, you have to practice math. So that is it.